Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. I left a Google job I loved. It was scary to leave, but even scarier to stay. Aashna Doshi, a 23-year-old former Google software engineer, left her dream job in New York City after 8 months to pursue a creative side project, despite the uncertainty and fear that came with leaving a prestigious tech role during a challenging job market. Her decision was driven by a desire for more interactive and creative work beyond coding, leading her to focus on her 0 to 1 podcast venture. I tested a $125,000 robot with silicone flesh. Its jokes felt more human than anything else. Realbotix's $125,000 humanoid robots, featuring silicone flesh and AI-powered interaction capabilities, aim to provide lifelike customer service experiences across various industries, though testing revealed their conversational abilities still fall short of truly natural human interaction. The company's meticulous facial construction process, involving 3D printing and months of sculpting, contrasts with the robot's current limitations in real-world navigation and dialogue. I built billion-dollar companies by giving my employees agency. I use the same approach with my 5 kids. Mark Pincus, founder of Zynga and father of 5, applies his business philosophy of giving employees agency to parenting, emphasizing the importance of meeting children where they are and trusting parental intuition over expert advice. He shares that granting his children responsibility and autonomy, similar to his approach with employees, has been effective in both his professional and personal life. Anthropic, we made the wrong trade-off in new model guardrails. Anthropic reversed its policy on Claude Fable 5's hidden safety measures, which previously rerouted sensitive prompts without user notification, after facing criticism from the AI research community. The company acknowledged it made the wrong trade-off and will now make the safeguards visible to users. Ford rehires 350 engineers after AI fails to preserve expertise or train juniors. Ford has rehired 350 veteran engineers over the past 3 years to address failures in its AI-powered quality control systems and mentor junior staff. The automaker's vice president of vehicle hardware engineering acknowledged that AI tools were inadequately trained due to insufficient attention to experienced engineers' expertise. Geoffrey Hinton, a British-Canadian computer scientist and cognitive psychologist at the University of Toronto, shared the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics for his foundational work in artificial neural networks and deep learning. He expressed concern about the current state of American science, citing political undermining and a loss of leading scientists as key challenges to innovation. Robotics teams are rebuilding the data stack from scratch. Robotics teams are rebuilding data infrastructure from scratch to support end-to-end learning models, as existing systems cannot handle the multi-rate, multimodal data required for robot training, creating a significant data layer tax that slows development and increases costs across the entire data pipeline. This infrastructure gap represents a major bottleneck in scaling robot learning capabilities, despite recent advances in the field. Malware has gotten smarter. Here's how your antivirus has, too. Modern antivirus software is shifting from signature-based detection to advanced behavioral analysis and machine learning to identify and stop malware threats before they fully execute, moving beyond traditional database matching approaches that can no longer keep pace with rapidly evolving cyber threats. Demystifying noise contrastive estimation. Noise contrastive estimation, NCE, and its variant info NCE are machine learning methods used to estimate statistical distributions by distinguishing real data from noise, with applications in language modeling and contrastive learning frameworks like CLIP and SimCLR. Why the $1,099 MacBook Air M5 beats the MacBook Neo for macOS 27. The M5 MacBook Air outperforms the MacBook Neo for macOS 27 due to its advanced M5 chip, which includes neural accelerators essential for the operating system's on-device AI features. While the Neo offers affordability, the Air provides the long-term capability and performance needed for Apple's next-generation software. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.